Okay, so now you can see why the crawler was running the metal wheels, because I stole the bead locks to play with this one. Man, having no reverse really sucks. So how it works with this Lozi controller is, in order to get full forwards power, you basically have to disable reverse. Come on. Damn it, it won't roll backwards. So, in order to get any actual power out of the forward settings, you have to disable reverse, which really sucks. Oh. Other than that, the friggin' Lozi controller has been incredibly reliable, actually. It's the same one I used to run in my Wheelie King that had issues getting wet. Every time the plugs got wet on the receiver, it would cut out. It's the same one. And now I know why reverse doesn't work, because if you have it in default full power mode, it just completely disables reverse, which is a shame, but oh well. Because I did play with the settings on the controller, and I did get reverse to enable, but then you get like 75% of forwards power. It's like, oh, well, that's kind of poop. So I just put it back to forwards only, so I get full power. We're not running a LiPo today, we're running a Mac laptop battery with some 18650s along with it. So there you can see the Mac battery. And there's a couple 18650s strapped to the other side of it, just to help it out with the amps. Seems to run pretty good. It's definitely not as strong, as a real LiPo, but I mean, I can't bitch, these batteries were free. Oh, I really gotta get rid of that. Oh, is that a game over? That might be a game over. Actually, it looks good. Yeah, it looks fine. That was a good hit, too, damn. It's that friggin' stump right there. I gotta get rid of that. I pulled out most of the stumps back here. Uh-oh. We have a casualty. Did we break a zip tie? No, I don't think so. I think it just moved. I don't know if I need to pause to put this back. I might need to do a quick... Oh, something popped. It's loose now. Actually, it's probably loose for a reason. If I tighten it, I don't think the real LiPo will fit. Man, those little spiky tires are pretty good. Oh, that rear wheel's caught. Oh, there we go. Man, for how cheap this truck was, I think my brother did put a few upgrades on it. Like, it has a steel spur gear. I don't think that was stock. And he has aluminum hubs in the rear. But other than that, it's pretty much stock. All the drive shafts and dog bones are stock. We did break a couple hubs, but I mean, I think that was just from tumbling and they just straight up snapped off. But I mean, for the most part, this thing's stock. Oh, something's wrong with this battery holder. Or it just keeps getting caught on shit. That's fine. As long as the battery stays in, there's 2 zip ties holding it in, so if one comes off, it's not a huge deal. But yeah, I think the price to the door, oh, there goes that foam again. Whatever. Yeah, price to the door was like 160 bucks. For a brushless, ready-to-run truck. Ready to run other than batteries. I don't think it came with any batteries. Oh, right in the groundhog hole. I was gonna fill the groundhog hole in, but the more he digs out, the steeper my hill climbing hill is. So I was like, you know what? We'll just leave it. Oh, what's that? Something solid I just got stuck on. Oh, more friggin' vine roots I gotta get rid of. Oh, almost. Those little tires do dig pretty good. They're not glued on, that's why I had to steal the bead locks. I didn't want to glue them onto a set of rims and then find out I didn't like them. Freaking Klingons, man. What the hell? What is that even stuck into? No! Got no reverse. Damn it all. I haven't been running it very long like this redcat, but I know my brother put some decent abuse through it. I'm putting some decent abuse through it. It's a 2S motor running 3S, so it's not supposed to get 3S. Didn't realize that until I actually looked it up, but it didn't. Yeah, it's technically a 2S motor, and it's running 3S. So it's one of those things where I'm probably technically over-revving the engine, but seems to take it fine. Man, these tires are actually kind of good. And yes, it is running 4-wheel drive, as I'm sure you've noticed. This is one of those trucks, like the Wheelie King, where it's really easy just to pull the front dog bones out and make it 2-wheel drive if you want to. Just for, you know, something different, try different handling or whatever. Yee. Oh. I also put a silicone earplug in the rear diff. Almost a full one, not quite, but almost. And as you can see, it's trying to turn the front tires. It's locked up pretty good. That silicone earplug definitely does the trick. Holy. That was full throttle for the laptop batteries. So yeah, the front tires aren't glued on either, but they have enough friction on their own that they don't just spin on the rims, so I wasn't worried about it. They don't seem to be coming off either. Damn it, that tree's gotta go. That little bush tree thing has to go. Right in my driving path. back down. Oh, can't go forwards, can't go backwards. Come on. Damn it. Never wants to roll backwards. Alright. Just fucking chuck that up there. Oh, come on. That's what I'm saying, like, having no reverse really sucks. So this controller won't be in this truck for very long. I have another 120 amp what was it, 120 amp 1/8 scale controller, which is god damn it, that tree really needs to go. Same thing I have in the Wheelie King. So I was thinking I'll just put that in this because it runs great in the Wheelie King on the 5700 kV 110 motor. I was a little worried about that when I first tried it on the Wheelie King. I was like, a 1/8 scale controller on a 110 scale motor, is that gonna work? And yeah, it works fine. Works no problem. I did notice, I think the motor, like the actual brushless motor, revs a little bit less with the big controller. I don't know why that would be. Maybe the frequency's different or something. But that was the only thing I really noticed. Was, yeah, the top speed was like a little bit less going from the low Z to the 1/8 scale controller on the same batteries. So 3S. But I mean, if I get full power and I get reverse back, it's a lot better than running this shitty low Z controller. It'd be fine if it would give me reverse, because yeah, that shit's friggin' annoying. And this truck has kind of shitty steering angles. Ugh. There's not really much I can do to fix it either. It's just got shitty turning angles, that's all there is to it. Sounds like that fan's not very happy. Oh, there goes the front tire. We've got a flat, boys. Damn you, shitty low Z controller, give me reverse. There, now the rim's spinning in the tire. Man, those little things hook up. It's like, fuck it, try and backflip it off the fence. I just figured, screw it, I'll just drag that zip tie around. If it doesn't want to stay on, I'll just drag it around, it'll be fine. Like I said, there's two holes, well, there was two holding the battery in. Oh, we might have to do a maintenance stop here. Oh, there we go. Get her back where she's supposed to be. There we go. Ah, shut up, little fan. I don't really care what it's chewing on. I can bitch and moan all at once. I'll figure out what its problem is later. Come on, back up, you bitch. There we go. Trying to use that roll momentum. Oh, freaking roots, man. I'm definitely gonna have to chop all these out too. It's ruining my hill climb spots. No. We're caught on the zip tie. Yeah, rip it out of the ground. Gonna have to come up with a better battery mounting solution. With the big LiPo, it doesn't. Oh, I should probably turn that off. Actually, that battery's getting kind of warm. I'll take a break for a minute, but yeah, with the big LiPo, oh, the zip tie is a lot tighter, so it doesn't come loose as much. Here, I'll just show you the setup so you can see. Oh, I can't because it's a screwed one. Well, I can pull the battery out. Broke one of the body posts off, so I just drilled a hole in it and put a screw in it. It's like, hey, whatever, as long as it works, right? So there's the setup. Giant capacitor, laptop battery. Oh, the front zip tie came off too. Oh, good thing I stopped. Ugh. I might have to put in like a third zip tie just for that battery. I gotta get rid of that lawnmower too, throw it back over the fence. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed a quick run of the redcat. Testing out these proline. What the hell are these called? Dirt paw. These things are really old. I've had them for a long time. And I've never really had a truck that they fit good on. Oh god, these, oh wow, these are not going to last very long. Oh wow. It's like literally ripping the lugs off the tires. Whatever. That's exactly why I didn't want to glue them onto rims, because if the tires just come apart, I don't want to be wasting a set of rims on that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the quick run testing out these proline dirt paws. Not bad. Not bad. How are the rears holding up? Oh, those lugs are going to tear off too. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll keep running them until they tear themselves bald.